What's up guys, in this video I'm going to show you what to do when you can't scroll while model overlay is opened. I encountered this issue when working on this client project, so I hope this video will help some of you out there. So according to the firmware support, the issue here is smooth scrolling. All you need to do is to turn this off, then you should be able to scroll within your model overlay. So the reason that this is happening is that a scrolling component like this intersect the normal scroll event on the page and replace them with its own logic to move content smoothly. So basically two systems are fighting for the same scroll event and the custom one usually wins. So overlay don't behave like normal models. Because of this issue, I can either remove the component, the scrolling component, or to just make this model a actual CMS page. Finally, I decided to remove it because I think it's easier that way. So if you know a solution to have both a smooth scrolling effect and still being able to scroll within the model overlay, please let me know. And that's it for today's video. I hope you enjoy. I hope this is helpful. I'll see you in the next videos. Peace.